Hey guys, Jeremy with Four Sons Off-Road. So we're back in the shop today with little Suzuki Carry DA63T, and we're going to be talking about filters today. But before I get into that, I just wanted to make sure you guys know about our channel. We've got over 50, almost 60 videos dedicated to these little mini trucks. So make sure you check out our channel, hit the subscribe button so that you get notifications when we've got a new video coming up, because we're always doing more of these little videos. And also, with the filters that we're featuring in the video today, we sell those on our website. And if you click on the description of the video, we've got a link to our website store, as well as a 10% discount code that you can use to get 10% off of these filters and some of the other parts on our website. So make sure you check that out. But anyways, filters. So with these little mini trucks, a lot of guys have a hard time finding just the simple maintenance items like your air filters, oil filters, and so on. Now again, we focus mainly on the Suzuki Carry trucks, so we tend to carry all the standard parts for those in stock. So again, check out our store for that. But speaking of the DA63T, this uses the same filters, the same oil filter, all the way back to the earlier F6A engines, all the way back to the 90s in the Suzuki Carries. As well as the same air filter as the 1999 and up Suzuki trucks. So very common filters, easy to get your hands on if you know where to get them from, and they're not that expensive and super easy to install there as well. So for air filters, we use a really good Japanese kind of OEM replacement type of a filter. Really simple filter there. It's like a cotton material, good quality, easy to maintain, easy to replace, and again, these are available on our website. Part number on these is A963J, and that's a JS filter out of Japan. So again, really simple to replace your air filter on any of the Suzuki trucks. It's just right underneath your driver's seat. Pop up the air filter cover on the air box, and it just slips right in there. Really easy. The other filter that people seem to have a hard time finding is the oil filters. Now the oil filters we've used in the past. We've actually done a video like this a few years ago where we featured some of the Fram filters that will fit. So you can get a Fram filter that will fit most of these Suzuki trucks as well as the Daihatsu trucks. And that's a PH4967 Fram filter. Now Fram, has got, I guess, some bad press with how their filters are built, and I'll be honest, they aren't the greatest quality. The nice thing with Fram filters is you can find that PH4967 filter anywhere, literally anywhere. That filter is sold all over North America. We like to use the JS filter as well. Really solid, again, Japanese OEM style replacement filter. I mean, just the weight of this filter alone compared to the Fram is like night and day. It's a heavy little filter. It uses an actual coil spring for the bypass, spring, O-ring, nice O-ring for the, instead of just the kind of flat ring for the seal, and really tight filter material as well. It's a really solid little filter. It's no more expensive than your average Fram filter as well, so why not use the better one? So again, this JS filter you can pick up right off of our website, and this filter fits Suzuki Carry F6A and K6A engines, basically early 90s, I think even late 80s, all the way up through like the current trucks. So really nice little filter, easy to get. The last filter I was going to show you guys is one that most of you probably don't even know that your truck has, and that is the cabin air filter. Your Suzuki Carry truck might actually have a cabin air filter. A lot of guys probably are like, what are you talking about, cabin air filter? If you have a newer style Suzuki truck, like 1999 and up, with air conditioning, chances are your truck takes a cabin air filter. Really easy to find where these filters go. They're actually just under the passenger side dash, so the left side dash. You look up underneath, and again, if your truck has air conditioning, so if you don't have an air conditioning system, chances are you probably don't have this filter unless you had the actual AC ducting and stuff in there for some reason. But you literally look under the passenger side dash, down underneath, and you'll actually see just a square filter cover. Literally pops off with no tools. and your cabin air filter probably isn't one in there because, you know, a lot of times they just don't replace them. But again, we stock the cabin air filters for those Suzuki Carry trucks. Really easy to install and replace. And it's going to keep all that dust out of the cab, keep the cab smelling fresh, and you know, a really important part of just protecting your air conditioning, you know, HVAC system in your mini trucks. So yeah, again, those are the three kind of main filters. We sell them all on our website. Again, use that discount code in the description for a discount. And we ship anywhere in Canada and the US. So hopefully that helps you out. And if you guys have any questions about these mini trucks, you can definitely leave them in the comments. Send us an email as well. But more importantly, check out our channel because we've done videos trying to cover pretty much all of the basic maintenance on these trucks. You know, we've done some of the recent ones on replacing your spark plugs, replacing your belts. You know, we've done videos showing the oil locations of your drain plugs on your transmission, differentials, and engine oil. So check those out, and again, if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, give us a shout. You can email us info@foursonsoffroad.com, or again, leave a comment and we will try to get back to you. Thanks again.